guys, I have just installed the Bennett self-leveling trim taps on my 17-foot Mako. Today I'm gonna take it for a test ride to see the difference, and also hoping to catch a striped bass as well. So it'll be exciting. Heading out to Beverly Salem Harbor. Beautiful day today. I am getting close to the harbor, and I should be able to punch it for a test run. Absolutely incredible for $100-something for a set, and it absolutely improved the ride quality. It helps the boat quite stable. Before the trim tap was installed, normally it took me about, I would say, about 10 to 15 seconds to be able to get on plans, but with the trim taps on, it jumps right away, and it goes on plans right away. So this is a great improvement for the boat. Alright, so I am out. That's Big Goose Island over there. This is where I normally fish every year during the summertime. There's a few lobster boat out. Looks like they're pretty busy bringing up lobster. Let's see if I can swing around and get a better shot for you guys. There it is. They are catching New England lobsters. So keep aside, they put it in the box there, and the smaller one, they throwing it back. So if you've never seen it before, at least now you get to see it. And I am catching mackerels. Got two. This is actually quite a good size. They're not too big, so this is a good size to use as bait. I am going to slow throw with the live mackerel, very close to that island. And within 5 minutes, I was on right away. At this point, I just want to move the boat a little bit further out from the island there. Not sure how big the fish as of now. That run right there, that actually tells me that's a decent size fish. And then that's another run. I was like, wow, this is good size. So take my time. Ooh, that's a mistake right there. That's a mistake. Never let your net tangle up with your boat hooks there. run, pretty good run. Yep. So I'm just gonna take my time and also watching out for the rocks as well. All right, we got it.
Come, my keeper.
That was the 32 inches. This year, you can only keep 28 to 34 inches. Anything bigger or smaller, you gotta let it go back, and one per person. So I got my limit. So I'm pretty happy to head back. That was a quick test run and a quick fishing trip. But I'm pretty happy for today. Boat's running really well on the way back as well. And as you can see there, that's going pretty fast. Have a feeling I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this boat. It's a little small. Certainly couldn't deal with big waves and all that, but for the harbor, and sometime I trailer my boat to Cape Cod to catch scups or black sea bass. It'll work for just that. I wouldn't do tuna or anything like that. I love boating on the way in and out of the river. It's just so beautiful. There's houses along the way and boats on both sides of the river. That's a nice boat right there. Wow. Got good lines on it. But it's great to be in the water. It just relaxes you. This is Beverly Salem Bridge. And in front of me is the lower bridge where the train would go from Gloucester, Massachusetts to Boston, back and forth. This boat has a T-top, but it's low enough that I can squeeze through under here without having to wait for the bridge to be open. So overall, it's a great trip today. I couldn't be happier. I'm getting closer to the launch place. And thank you so much for coming along with this trip on the test run and catching a decent sized fish. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. There will be more videos coming out in the future, and hope to see you soon.